I just need 5 minutes to fix your ad structure on YouTube. Begin speaking directly with urgency. Let me guess. Your YouTube ad account is a complete mess, right? If it's a jumble of random campaigns and ad groups, you're not optimizing, you're just guessing. That chaos is burning through your cash and making it impossible to see what's actually working. Stick with me for just 5 minutes and I'll walk you through the simple 1-1-2 framework. It's a dead simple method that will fix your ad structure, give you total clarity, and finally get your campaigns profitable. So if you're done gambling away your ad spend and want to start building a predictable system, keep watching. Section 1, the problem. Why your account is a mess. Right now, your ad account probably feels like you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall. You've got campaigns with 5 different ad groups, each testing a different targeting idea. You have ads running to audiences that couldn't care less about your product. It's not just inefficient, it's a guaranteed way to lose money. The real problem here is a lack of control. When you have multiple ad groups huddled under a single campaign budget, Google decides where your money goes, not you. The algorithm makes the call, which means you can't force the budget toward the ad group you actually believe in, you can't test properly, you can't identify your true winners, and you certainly can't scale what's working because you don't even know what working is. It's a structure built for failure from the very start. Section 2, the solution, the 1-1-2 framework. But what if you could make it crystal clear? What if you knew without a doubt exactly which audience and which ad was driving results? That's what the 1-1-2 framework is for. It's a structure we use to manage millions in ad spend, and its power lies in its simplicity. It stands for 1 campaign, 1 ad group, and 2 ads. Let me break down exactly how it works. Section 3, the tutorial, how to build the 1-1-2 structure. All right, let's build it. First up, 1 campaign. Each campaign you create will target only one specific audience. That's it. If you want to test keywords, you create a campaign just for those keywords. If you want to go after people who recently searched for your competitor, you create a separate campaign just for them. The goal is to isolate your variables so the data is clean and you gain precise control over your budget. Next, the second one ad group. Inside that single audience campaign, you will only create 1 ad group. This is the part most people get wrong. The reason for this is simple but critical. Your budget is controlled at the campaign level, not the ad group level. By using only 1 ad group, you eliminate any guesswork. 100% of your campaign's budget is now powering 1 specific audience test, giving you the clearest performance data possible. Finally, the two ads. Inside your single ad group, you will start by running just 2 different ads. Why not 5 or 10? Because you want to find a clear winner without spreading your impressions and budget too thinly. Test 2 different hooks, 2 different calls to action, or 2 different value props against each other. Let them run until 1 ad clearly outperforms the other. Once you have a statistically significant winner, you have found a creative that truly resonates with that specific audience. Section 4, the rationale. Why this framework creates winners. You see what this structure does? It forces clarity. There's no more guesswork. When a campaign is successful, you know exactly which audience and which ad is responsible. The data doesn't lie. Let's imagine it in practice. Your keyword campaign is profitable. You now know that your target keywords are effective and which of your 2 ads is the winner. At the same time, your competitor audience campaign is losing money. You can turn it off with confidence knowing you gave it a clean test. This is how you stop spaghetti testing and start building a portfolio of proven, scalable assets. You're no longer flying blind, you're making deliberate, data-driven decisions. This foundational control is what lets you cut your losers without hesitation and pour more budget behind your winners with absolute confidence. This is how you scale intelligently, mastering this before you even think about handing all the keys over to Google's ever smarter AI. And that's it. The 1-1-2 framework, 1 campaign, 1 ad group, 2 ads. It's the simplest way to bring order to the chaos gain complete clarity, and build a truly profitable YouTube advertising machine. If this sounds powerful, but you'd rather have an experienced team just implement it for you, there's a link below where you can book a call with my agency. We'll take a look at your account and see if we can help. And if you found this video valuable, please give it a like and hit subscribe for more no-nonsense strategies to grow your business. Thank you for watching, and now go start building.